Welcome back, health champs. Today we are talking about mental health. When we think of our health, most of us think of it in black and white terms. Are we sick or are we well? Are we injured or are we fit? The truth is that health is a spectrum, and where you fall on that spectrum at any given time is not a reflection of who you are as a person. It's a reflection of the choices that you've made, from the food you eat, to the way you move, to how much and how well you sleep, to the way you think and the company you keep. Every choice you make impacts not just your physical health, but also your mental well-being. So here are 6 ways that you can improve both your physical and mental health at the same time. Number 1. Exercise regularly. Exercise has been proven to improve both physical health by keeping your body strong and reducing the risk of chronic diseases, as well as mental health by reducing stress, improving sleep, and boosting your mood. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week. 2. Eat a healthy diet. Eating a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean protein can help you maintain a healthy weight, reduce your risk of chronic diseases, and improve your energy levels and mood. Avoid processed foods, sugary drinks, and unhealthy fats as much as possible. 3. Get enough sleep. Sleep is essential for both physical and mental health. When you don't get enough sleep, it can lead to a host of problems, including impaired cognitive function, mood disorders, and chronic health conditions. Most adults need around 7 to 8 hours of sleep per night. 4. Manage stress effectively. Chronic stress can have a negative impact on both physical and mental health. Find healthy ways to manage stress, such as through exercise, yoga, meditation, or spending time in nature. 5. Connect with others. Social connections are an important buffer against the negative impacts of stress. Nurture your relationships with family and friends and find ways to build new connections. And 6. Avoid harmful substances. Alcohol, tobacco, and drug use can have serious negative consequences for both physical and mental health. If you're struggling with addiction, seek professional help. It's important to remember that small changes can make a big difference. You don't have to overhaul your entire lifestyle all at once. Start by making 1 or 2 small changes and then gradually work your way up from there. Be patient and kind to yourself and celebrate your successes along the way. Improving your physical and mental health is a journey, not a destination. It's about making sustainable changes that you can maintain over the long term. By making conscious choices every day, you can improve your overall health and well-being and live a life that you're excited about. Thanks for watching. And if you found this video helpful, please share it with your friends and family. Until next time.